A broad market pullback is underway today, and the reasons behind it matter for every asset class. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into silver. Silver dropped sharply to $65.14 per troy ounce, a move of minus 1.68% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $63.35 and $65.94. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. The gold move is partly driven by gold fails the safe haven test again, Fisher Investments. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that oil prices stabilize after release of US-Iran deal text, barons. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that our stock market today. S&P 500 jumps 1.1%, NASDAQ soars 1.5% as Wall Street shrugs off Fed jitters, NDTV profit. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by our stock market today. S&P 500 jumps 1.1%, NASDAQ soars 1.5% as Wall Street shrugs off Fed jitters, NDTV profit. Traders are reacting to news that oil prices stabilize after release of US-Iran deal text, barons. Equity markets are responding to reports that our stock market today. S&P 500 jumps 1.1%, NASDAQ soars 1.5% as Wall Street shrugs off Fed jitters, NDTV profit. Meanwhile, Brent crude is trading lower by minus 0.46%, at $79.48. The move follows reports that the new Gulf energy order implications of the UAE's OPEC exit Egypt oil and gas. Meanwhile, WTI crude dipped minus 1.07% to $75.78. The move follows reports that the new Gulf energy order implications of the UAE's OPEC exit Egypt oil and gas. Meanwhile, natural gas dipped minus 0.84% to $3.21. Traders are reacting to news that oil prices stabilize after release of US-Iran deal text, barons. Coming back to silver. Bears are firmly in control of the near-term narrative. Watch for key support levels. A break below could accelerate the decline. Risk management is critical in this environment. Here is our near-term analytical view on silver. After today's weakness, the $63.19 area is the first meaningful support level to watch for silver. A stabilization there would be the first sign that sellers are losing conviction. This is our analytical view, not investment advice. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on Federal Reserve commentary and real yield movements. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is our deep dive on silver. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.